Hi guys! Today we're going to show you how to do a little quarantine trim at home using the Lunata Groom Me kit. It comes with a regular pair of cutting shears, a regular pair of thinning shears, 4 crocodile clips, and a cutting comb. You're going to start by sectioning your hair off into 3 big sections, one at the top of your head on the crown, and you're going to use the clip to secure it and get it out of your way. Your second section is from your temple to the top of your ear. Your third section is 1 inch above the nape of your neck. Your first step for this haircut is to take everything down the middle, bring it forward, and give the hair tension so you get an even haircut. You're then going to take your regular thinning shear and cut in a triangle section, meaning that you're going to cut up to create some softness, get rid of the split ends without creating a harsh line. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. And you're just going to triangle or point cut into the ends. You're then going to take both sections of the hair, pull them forward to make sure that they match. Once you've done that, let down your neck section. Same as before, split the hair down the middle by the neck, and you can see where you cut your last section. You're going to take your shears and just point cut in. And once again, you're going to match the other side. Your last step is to let down the rest of your hair, comb it through, and make sure there are no guys that are scraggling behind. And if you're seeing a little bit of breakage or a little bit of a dead end, just go ahead and trim it up. For our very last step, using the Lunata convertible cordless iron, we are going to add in some curl around our face framing layer to show off our haircut. This has 4 heat settings: low, medium, high, and max. And it lasts 45 minutes on the highest heat setting on a single charge. It takes about 2.5 hours to recharge, and they are universally adaptable. Time for some hairspray. Using our detangling brush from Lunata to finish our style. And voila, there you have it, an at-home haircut looking fresh from the salon.